right, let's talk about some circuit stuff. We have our first class sponsor. I'm excited to announce that Chris Paget is back with Paget Performance. Last year, you guys will remember he did the heavyweight class sponsorship there. We are switching it up. We only had a few cars in that class. He said, you know what? I want more cars. I want more people to duke it out. Let's do an overdrive transmission class, any weight, any tire, any overdrive transmissions except gear vendors. Now we don't. He said gear vendors don't count because they don't auto shift. He didn't say because they don't auto shift, but that's why I'm saying we don't want a gear vendor because they don't auto shift into overdrive. Gear vendor, this is going to be kind of no gear vendor. Sorry, this is going to be kind of cool because we're giving $350 to the winner and $100 to second place. Both of them get a trophy and all that kind of cool stuff. Quarter mile class, so it's going to be actually, you know what? I don't know if it's quarter mile or eighth mile. I was thinking overdrive would be quarter mile because you're going to be going fast. I'll message him. We'll be releasing that info on the circuitdnd.com and on the Drag Drive Repeat, the Circuit 2026 side of the page there as well. Thanks to Chris. We also have one other sponsor that's working on a plan to maybe cover the same class and same rules across 5 of the 6 events next year.
Oh boy, bring it on.
Yeah, so that could be kind of cool there as well. So hoping we can work that out. But again, thanks to Chris at Paget Performance in Kansas. We appreciate him and his support for the brand over here and the circuit event for sure.